What caused my garage door accident was anxiety. Anxiety is something that I have struggled with throughout my life over the years. Um, when I see crazy things in the world happening, people being evil, racist, all of the above, it really, really affects my anxiety. And, it takes me from 0 to 10 quickly. And when I think about it, I had to figure out, like, why was my mind not focused? And I know what it was. It was on what happened on September 10th, because that is when things were happening. And so now I have to work hard to really balance out my life so that I don't end up in situations that cause me to make silly accidents occur. So I'm learning a lot from this. It was a tough lesson because that's more money coming out, and it's not fun, but I'm okay. My family's okay. Sorry about the fan spinning, but my family's okay, and the situation is getting worked out. So anyway, I hear the air conditioner came on. It's probably causing a difference in the sound here, but just want to say that I'll talk more about anxiety later. Talk to you soon.